Let's take a moment to explore the ad submission page. This page is only for the submission of email and the web-based version of the email ads. This page is not for submitting the zone ads or HercuBlurbs. The ad submission page is divided into 4 sections. Upper left is the rules. Upper right is mailing status. Bottom left is the regular mailer, and bottom right is the credit mailer. The mailing status will show how many current members there are to reach, when you last submitted a regular mailer ad, and if you have any mailing keys available. If you do not have a regular mailing available, and also no keys available to use, you can purchase additional keys by clicking the PayPal button. Now let's check out the mailers themselves. We will first look at the regular mailer. Now you'll want to use the regular mailer for your normal membership mailing. Free members can reach 1,000 random members daily with the regular mailer. Gold members can reach the entire database daily with the regular mailer. And Pro members can reach the entire database every other day with the regular mailer. Now with this account, you can see that there is a regular mailing available. If there was no regular mailing available, additional keys could be purchased through this PayPal button. You can also resubmit a previously submitted ad by clicking this button. Okay, let's submit an ad with the regular mailer. Again, if we want to submit a previously submitted ad, we'll click the Resubmit Previous Ad button, which then takes us to our credit and regular mailer history. Just find the ad that you would like to resubmit and click the Resubmit button next to that ad. For the purpose of this video, we are just going to send a test message. So the next thing is to decide how you would like to submit your ad. Now, if you have a regular mailing available, which we do, as stated above here, you would want to use your regular mailing. Now, if you do not have a regular mailing available and have keys to use, then you can click this drop down and select key. But we have a regular mailing available, so we are going to submit a regular mailing. Pro and Gold members have the option of using the first and last name tags in both the subject line and the body of their ads. Simply copy the tag and paste it wherever you would like it to appear in the subject line and the body. For an ad to be submitted successfully, you need to include a subject line, your URL, and the ad body. The URL must include HTTP or HTTPS at the beginning of the URL so that the credit link works correctly. We also recommend including the URL in the ad body along with the ad. Gold members are also given the option of submitting either in plain text or HTML. Just click the drop down, select HTML, and use the HTML editor to create your ad. You can also click the source button if you have your code, and you can paste the code in the body. Okay, so we have a plain text ad set up here. Now, it is important that the submit button is clicked only one time. If it's clicked twice, you are more than likely going to get an error that your ad was not submitted. The ad will have been submitted from the first submit, but it can get confusing with that error message. So click the submit button one time and wait for the page to load. Once the ad has been submitted, you'll be taken to a page like this, stating that the ad was submitted and to the number of members it was submitted to. You can always double check that the ad was submitted by clicking the account drop-down menu and then clicking mailer history. For now, let's go back to the mailer page. Once we're back at the mailer page, you will now see a timer counting down. This timer is counting down to when we'll be able to send our next regular mailer ad. The regular mailer timer resets every night at midnight U.S. Central Time. So if you are a free or gold member, you will be able to use the regular mailer anytime after midnight. Pro members can use the mailer anytime after midnight every other day. Now let's take a look at the credit mailer. The credit mailer can be used as many times as you like, as long as you have credits to use. We always advise to use the regular mailer first if you have a regular mailing available or keys to use. Keys cannot be used with the credit mailer. You will notice the credit mailer does not have the same drop down as the regular mailer where you can select a regular mailing or keys. The form is exactly the same as the regular mailer. The only difference is you will use this credits field to enter the number of credits you would like to use for the mailing. So let's say I want to reach 500 members. Since 2 credits equals 1 member, I would enter 1,000. Once you have entered in your subject line, URL, and ad body, and the number of credits you'd like to use, simply click the submit button to submit the ad. So as a recap, you will want to come to the mailer page as often as possible whenever you can submit your regular mailing. You can also come to the mailer page as often as you like and use the credit mailer as long as you have credits to use. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Remember, if you need further help, you can always click support on the top toolbar, which will then take you to the FAQ page, which you can search for answers to other questions, or click the Contact Us link and submit us your question through the form. Thank you.